Yeah, I got this guitar in 1965.
Ah, I think I'm doing the Batman shot on this here. Okay. There we go. Looks a little better. So I've got Rob here. He's picking up his blackface Fender Princeton. This is the one that I featured that had the bad screen resistor, plus all the typical parts, filter caps, etc. So he's going to give her a test run for you.
Very nice.
You know, what's really cool is I was able to keep your those Sylvania green labeled tubes, you know. So typically when these go into a shop, people just like, well, it needs new output tubes, right? Then they go back and go, oh crap, that screen resistor is bad. But guess what? You already bought a set of tubes then.
Well, and those Sylvania tubes, those are the ones that came with the amp. Yeah. I probably bought it 25 years ago at George Groom's. So
yeah, they're great, man.
Yeah, right? Let's make sure it works.
So you get home, man. The channel doesn't work. What's wrong with this guy? Yeah. So this one I believe is a little brighter sounding than the bass channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say that's brighter.
Yeah.
Great.
Man, I'm glad that you did that. I wanted to get you on video so bad. So
well,
very cool.
You know, it's a real treat to be here because I've watched your videos and really admire your work.
Cool, man.
And I'm just flattered that you're working on my heap here. Getting the old thing.
Well, it's not the heap. That's the crown jewel, man.
Oh, you know, it's a honey. You know. Hey, yeah. Neil Young has dozens of these guys.
Really? You know? Send me my number, will you?
Good idea.
Yeah,
Good
man.
idea. Thanks.
Cool. Yeah. Excellent.